Hey everybody, it's Kara from the Art Collective. I am just showing you what I've been working on tonight. These are pieces actually that I just took out of the oven. I've put 2 holes in them because I'm turning them into buttons. That one I'm hoping I can make into, after I paint it and put, I've got Swarovski crystals I'm going to put on it as well. I've done another one that my husband put on one of his ships for his D&D game. And so I'm going to do another one like that. These I'm going to probably turn into earrings. They're little roses. And these tiny ones will be earrings as well. And the rest of them are buttons. And then over here, what I've been working on is, this is one piece that I've been working on for quite some time. It was an acrylic pour, and what I've done is, this is all sculpted polymer clay, as well as this that I've sculpted. And then I did, I painted it, and then this part I just added on. It is dimensional, and then I did an acrylic pour over top of it to make it look like waves, sort of, yeah, flower waves. She's coming out of the ocean. I really like that piece. This is another piece that I'm working on, and it is actually really heavy. It's, oh gosh, I'm trying to say bamboo? No. Well, it might be. Who knows? Anyway, I've had it in the kitchen for a long time, and it was sort of looking pretty crappy. And I had a counter made of the same wood. This was a leftover piece, and we've been using it. I varithaned it a few times before, and we've been using it as a cutting, well, not a cutting board, but we've been using it as a board to put the baby's things on. And so I decided that I wanted to, sorry about that, I wanted to decorate it a bit. So this is what I've done. It's like an apple orchard. Well, it is. It's not like an apple orchard. I'm going to add a little bit more white to the trees. Just a little bit. It's a farm. Maybe it looks like a farm that you might live on, or a friend of yours lives on. Looks like a lot of farms here in Nova Scotia. Lots of apples. Anyway, I hope this video finds you happy and healthy. And I really pray that you're all still staying safe, making your own decisions as to whether you really want to go out in that stuff or not, and not listening to necessarily everything that the government has to say. I'd be more at this point listening to the scientists and the doctors, and maybe Obama from about, say, probably 7 years ago, 5 years ago, 5 years ago. Yeah, check out what he said 5 years ago about a pandemic. Anyway, stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, and be nice to each other. Thanks so much.